What if I told you the world's most iconic phone, the iPhone, can't yet be built in the country where it was born? Welcome to today's video, where we break down Apple CEO Tim Cook's revealing comments about why the iPhone still isn't made in the United States, and what needs to happen for that dream to become a reality. President Trump, during his administration, made it clear he wanted major U.S. companies to bring manufacturing back home. And Apple, the world's first $3 trillion company, was at the top of that wish list. Tim Cook, one honest, powerful answer stood out. Cook said, "I need to have the robotic arms to do it at a scale and precision that would allow me to bring it here." That's right, robots, not people, are the missing puzzle piece. Let's break down the math. iPhone assemblers in Shenzhen, China, make $3 to $3.70 an hour. In contrast, the U.S. federal minimum wage is $7.25 an hour, and most Americans wouldn't take such repetitive, demanding work at that rate. So for Apple, manufacturing iPhones in the U.S. using human labor would double costs, which would almost certainly make iPhones more expensive or less profitable. That's where automation comes in. Tim Cook's vision? Use robots to do the precise, tedious work humans once did, faster, safer, and more consistently. And it's not just a dream. Apple has already been testing Daisy, a robot that disassembles iPhones for recycling, showing what machines can already do in Apple's supply chain. But building an entire phone, from attaching chips to precision glass fitting, is another level entirely. Current robotics still struggle with the flexibility and dexterity of human hands. Trump's administration imposed tariffs as high as 145% on certain Chinese imports. But thanks to a unique relationship, Tim Cook convinced Trump to exempt the iPhone, at least temporarily. That rare alignment helped Apple dodge a major bullet. But it also exposed how deeply Apple is tied to China's manufacturing ecosystem, from supply chains to rare earth minerals to skilled labor. The US is investing in automation and AI, but it's not there yet. Robotic arms still can't match the sheer precision, speed, and cost efficiency of Chinese factories. But with companies like Boston Dynamics, NVIDIA, and Intel pushing the envelope, and Apple's cash reserves exceeding $160 billion, the pieces are slowly falling into place. If the US can scale robotic manufacturing and reduce its dependence on low-wage labor abroad, we might see Apple and other tech giants start reshoring production. But we're not just talking about replacing hands with robots. This is about reshaping the entire supply chain, retraining workers, and rewriting manufacturing economics. Tim Cook isn't against building iPhones in the US. He's just being realistic. Until automation tech reaches the right scale and precision, the iPhone will remain a global product, not a domestic one. But if things go right, this might be the beginning of a revolution in American manufacturing. So what do you think? Will the iPhone ever be made in America, or will China continue to dominate tech manufacturing? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into tech and business.